Good morning, Year 4. We're going to continue looking at angles today, and we're going to compare and order angles on size. And our anchor task is to identify angles as acute, right-angled or obtuse. So your anchor task, label these angles. Pause the video and off you go. Okay, so this angle is obtuse because it is more than 90 degrees. We have a right angle triangle here, right angle here. We have an acute angle, so less than 90, another acute angle, and a final obtuse angle. So well done if you got those correct. Okay, next question then, which shape has the smallest angle? So this is a model and you're going to have some questions to answer yourself next. So when I answer this question, I need to have a look at the angles in front of me. Now I can clearly see that these angles are bigger or obtuse. So they are bigger than 90 degrees. Now this one is less than 90 degrees, it's acute. And if I wanted to check, I could draw in my 90 degrees to show this. Okay, now this is the only acute angle, so it has to be the smallest angle. So now it's your turn. Use greater than and less than symbols to compare these angles. So pause the video and using your crocodiles to show which angle is bigger. Off you go. Okay, so this 90-degree angle is bigger than this acute angle. This obtuse angle is bigger than an acute angle. And another obtuse angle is bigger than a right angle. Well done. Okay, which angle is largest? So having another go here then, if you need to, remember to draw in your 90 degrees to find which angles are acute and which angles are obtuse, so you can then decide which angle is the largest. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so I can identify straight away that this angle, so angle B, is the largest because it is the only obtuse angle on this page. This angle here is acute because it's less than 90 degrees, and this angle here is acute because it is less than 90 degrees. So B is the largest angle. Okay, which is the largest angle in this shape? So I can see I've got two 90-degree angles. I've got an angle here and an angle here. Now I think that this one is obtuse because it looks to me like it's more than 90 degrees, so I will check. It is. So it moves past my 90 degrees. And I think that this one is acute because it is less than 90 degrees. And it is because it doesn't quite reach. So this has to be the largest angle because it's the only obtuse one in the shape. And now again, it is your turn. So have a look at these angles and which of these shapes contains the smallest angle. Off you go. Okay, so I'm going to identify my acute angles to start off because I want the smallest angle. So this is an acute angle. And here's another acute angle. Oh, another acute angle. One more. And we have one here. And one here. Okay. Now I know that by looking at these now, that these two angles here, so shape B, contains the smallest angle because these are not quite 90 degrees but almost there, whereas the ones in B are halfway, so half of 90 is 45 degrees. So these are clearly the smallest angles. So the answer would be shape B. So your task today, you are completing silver is questions 1 all the way through to 5. Gold is question 5 onwards, and platinum, you have 2 questions to answer here.